tore up this food. This Penny didn't even want to come out.
I wasn't even hungry and I still ate and ate.
We did some damage. Yenny asked me what was my favorite. I said all of them, but she's like, pick one. So the curry duck, bomb. You know what I mean? Like straight up Super Bowl ring right there. You know what I mean? Like I've never had anything like that before. That duck was nice and crispy. The sauce was coconutty, flavorish, spiced up and everything. You know what I mean? You just gotta try it out. And then what did I say? I said the drunken noodles was bomb. Papaya salad, the steak, and then the lop. Overall, I'm digging the vibes. I'm loving the vibes. The Thai tea right here is delicious as well. Y'all should come check it out, man. It's on the corner of 6th and Morris. You can't miss it. Either way, y'all should just come check this out because I said so. And do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh, snap. I'm about to drink. The drink.
It's a BYOB, yeah.
And
Let them know.
And it's BYOB. With the curry and the beer. That might be Riat or something like that, man. I don't know.
And the 12 peppers.
And the 12 peppers. Thank God. Thank God there's a bathroom right there. Anyways, y'all, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See y'all on the next episode. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, my mom.